Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and it is time for another update from the grow room. The tomato plant finally took off. I was starting to wonder if it was ever going to do anything, but you know, about a week ago I saw some roots growing, so I was really happy. And then I came down here at the end of last week and I see some more roots here. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, there they are. But I saw this, and that was just, you know, that was like, made my heart go pitter-patter. The basil is not doing as well, and I'm not sure exactly why. I would think that the roots should be getting enough nutrients at this point in time, but I don't see any new growth yet. So we'll leave it in here a little while longer and see what happens. The spider plants are doing good, and that is something really cool. I'm hoping to get them off the ground and into something that's you know, good for you know, I want to give them away to somebody around here for maybe for Christmas or something. The pepper plants are doing wonderfully, and so I am just excited about that. The dog is excited about something out there, but anyway, yeah, these pepper plants are awesome. And then we have the stuff that makes this grow room look like a jungle. We have the kale, which as you can see is doing really, really good. Look at those kale leaves. And then we got the cilantro, and that is doing very well too. The one that's doing the least amount of good is the spinach, but it's still, you know, getting plenty of leaves and stuff. And we got this cabbage, and of course the Gigantor cabbage, which is I don't know when it's gonna be ready, but it's starting to form a ball in there. It's a little one right now. Oh, one last thing before I let you go. We had this celery sitting around doing pretty much nothing, and so we stuck it in the water, and voila, we got some growth. I didn't know that we were gonna get any because it was sitting on my counter for like maybe 4 or 5 days, and I thought, well man, this thing is way too dried out, but it started growing some green. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and LinkedIn. Come join us on any of those platforms. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.